Hey everyone, chatham-kent here, and today is very windy. Today is April 28th, Monday. It's the beginning of a week, brand new week. It's gonna be filled with a lot of excitement. Fly, little birdie. It's windy today in Chatham, April 28th, 2014. So if you guys can't hear me, it means the wind is too strong. But I like it though. Like I said in my video that I posted on chatham-kent, I love the wind. I mean, I hate the rain, but I love the wind. I'm walking home again after a long walk. That day I did that vlog when I showed you guys the clouds, I had asked you guys if you guys all thought it was gonna rain. And guess what? It didn't even rain that day. It just frustrates me. I'm like hurrying up, getting home, because I think it's gonna rain, and it doesn't even rain. Strange enough, right? Still windy. Walking down this little road. Still windy. So I'm just continuing to walk home after my long walk, and now it's starting to rain a little bit. With all this wind, I wouldn't have doubted that it was going to rain. So I'm walking down this little path now. So there's a little path here. And I'll be home shortly. This little path that goes on my street. Some more of this path. Very dirty. You can tell winter just ended, because that's when you see all the garbage everywhere. So hope you guys did enjoy this little walk vlog. chatham-kent, peace out.